Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off all layers in BricsCAD. So let's go straight into it. Now the fastest option is to use command line down here. What you will type in is lay off and press enter. Now here type A like that for all and press enter. And then type Y to confirm turning off the current active layer and press enter. Now, okay, so Y and yeah. Now we have also the other option, so more visual layer panels. So right here at the right side, you will see this toolbox here, not toolbox, but more like a menu option menu. What you will do here is select the layers over here, this one, and right here you can select all, as you can see now here, and now you see these lightning bolts right over here. Okay, so if you click on that, you can now turn off the current layer like so. And if I do with all of them, now I turn off every layer which I have in this project. And this is basically it, how you can turn off all layers in BricsCAD. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.